Hey YouTubers, this is your pal EMD SD45T-2 with another update video. Today, well obviously you can see by the mess here, I've been a very busy worker today. I did mention in my last update video that I was planning on doing a conversion to this unit with the newer tunnel motor drive and so forth, but unfortunately I got so involved in the conversion I didn't make a video of that. So hopefully in the near future, if I decide to get a Union Pacific unit and I decide to patch it, I will make a video of that. But here is the original chassis here, and then here's the donor unit, which I bought today from Nicholas Smith, and then here is its chassis here with the see-through feature like that on the new drive. Let me show you guys. I also transplanted the LED lights from this shell to this shell. Unfortunately, I blew one of each out, so it kind of looks weird. Hold on. Let me dim the lights so you guys can see that better. Hold on. Okay, so here's the rear light. As you can see, there's only one. And I was disappointed in that. But when I get this unit converted to sound and DCC, I'll have whoever's doing it just put new LED lights in here, or in it. I only had enough to do the nose, so I couldn't get the Mars lights done, but as you can see, it's got one nose light that's out. But it's okay. I mean, it's got the new drive in it. Oh, what else did I do? Let me just turn these lights back on. I also swapped or transplanted the railings from this shell to this unit here because I mean, the railings technically are salvageable, but the paint was coming off them anyway, and I just got tired of it over the years, so I just swapped the railings, and that was a pretty tedious process in itself. Unfortunately, I couldn't salvage the back railing from either unit because the glue that Athearn used on their back railing was very strong, so I couldn't save the back railing from that. And then this back railing was completely unsalvageable, so I have to order a new set of railings for it. I also swapped the bell, which you can see right there. So I had to put the bell, I had to put a new bell on there because the original bell, yeah, broke. It was already dainy anyway because of how old the shell was, but I just said, you know what, I'm just going to just swap that out. Don't care if it's gray and on the green unit, it's fine. And actually, I kind of like the gray undercarriage as opposed to the black undercarriage, which is cool. Oh, I also put the, well, I'm gonna have to pick the unit up. I also put the focus. It's not focusing. I also put the MU cables on the unit as well, front and back. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. They're behind the plow. I did want to do a plow transfer, like I wanted to transplant the plow, but I just decided not to because it would have been a little bit of a tedious task to do that. But yeah, so I do have a spare shell here and a spare chassis that I don't even know what I'm going to do with. So, and then also, this is the original box that the new unit came in. So that unit is going to go into this box here. Oh, and I almost forgot, at Nicholas Smith, you can get the 2020 Bachmann catalog for free. Let me, guys, let me show you guys. Can't even talk right. This is the new SC44 charger, but look at that price. I am not sure if I'm gonna buy one just yet. If I buy one, it'll probably be one of the Midwest units because I think they did do some testing out this way. I think I saw a picture of one out at 30th Street. I could be wrong, but I don't know. I don't know, guys. That's a big steep right there. That's a brass train right there. But it's a new locomotive from the ground up, so it's gonna be a little pricey. But we'll see. I might get one. I might. I mean, I hope they do the Brightline version because I like the Brightline version. I like the Brightline better because of how it has a streamlined nose. I just always like the Brightline version. But yeah, so hopefully I'll get one of those. If not, I'm not gonna worry about it. What else am I gonna talk about? Still haven't figured out the problem with that unit, with the B&O F7. Still haven't figured out how to get the horn to sound. So that's just a trailing unit for now. One of my SDL38s is on the table here. I just came up with a good idea to like just do away with this shell. I bought another Jeep 38 online recently. I gotta wait for it to come in the mail. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swap shells with that unit. So this chassis is going to go on the other Santa Fe shell in that box. And then I'm going to take that chassis, convert it to 6-wheel trucks, buy another Jeep 38 that probably will have, that probably won't have dynamic brakes. Swap the dynamic brake housing from this unit onto that unit, and then put that unit in its box with the other chassis. And then that means I'll still need to buy 2 more, or is it 1 more? Or 1 more, I think it's 2 more or 1 more Jeep 38 to build the SDL 38 roster. And then I should be done. But yeah, a lot of stuff going on. And that's my that's my SW14 right there. My version of it. It's not actually the UP version. So it's my version of the SW14. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll let you guys know how things are going, and I'll see you later. Peace, y'all.